Hi, I'm Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little short sound demo video. It's for this beautiful little shamanic drum just here. It's to accompany the listing on our Etsy shop. And this is a little 14-inch buffalo skin drum. It's like a thick buffalo skin actually, so it's actually got quite a nice thick sound for a small drum. I don't know if you can tell on the video here, but there's lots of nice beautiful little hair features on the skin as well. There'll be more detailed photographs on the listing. If I turn it over, you can see we've got the traditional Salish style lacing, and this is skin lacing. It's taken from the same animal, from the same piece of hide that I took the drum head from, so it's a continuation of that animal's energy throughout the whole of the drum. It's on an ash wood frame. Now, unusually for me, I normally put lots of information on that inside of that frame, but I haven't on this particular drum. It's completely blank and plain. So yeah, I say plain, it's got a beautiful grain and a beautiful pattern without any embellishments from me. So here we go. I'm going to play with a firmer beater to begin with. I've got a softer beater here which we'll play with as well, and then you can have a listen to the both and see which one you think sounds the best for you. Here we go. Gorgeous. And then the softer beater. Lovely. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when you come in to choose your shamanic drum online. It's very difficult. So that's why we make these little videos. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.